Nkata, is that how to greet an elderly man like me? Nkata! Nkata!
Mazi King, why can't you mind your business? They go your own. And today they come in Nkata like idiots.
Look at this small girl of yesterday. You are referring to me as an idiot. Nkata!
Ikenga, why do you can't talk? Live here? Hey! God, I don't suffer. You cursing me? You are speaking to me glamour or where? Me? You cursing me or where?
You are an illiterate. If I dare hear you again, referring to me as an idiot, I will remove your teeth.
Hey, don't touch my pants. And I go hold my pants tight. Ikenga, you see your name don't enter in the list of Obensi and don't enter Hana. You piagia. Korokwana.
Imegene.
Take up a sort of gift for your nanya gabo. Idiot. Chukupokwa goko. Fuck all the grammar man. Waka.
That stupid girl.
You want for ya? It's not for
Nkata, if I don't remember you on a day, I will remember you on a 4 day. Idiot. Nkata. I won't get you booming. Look at the cut of yesterday. There is no problem. Ugodia Choshirigi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Anything really good, you should log a pota. Is there anything good that comes out for your house? One your daughter. One Nkata your daughter. One half for me.
Nai, what did Nkata do again to you? What has she done?
Thank God, Omeka. Do you know that your daughter Nkata insulted me by calling me an idiot? Chibo! Nkata called me an idiot.
Go on. Hey! Chinekena! Nkata! Eh? Nai, I'm sorry. Please forgive us. Eh? I'm going to warn her when I get home. Forgive us. Nah, I'm sorry.
Megan, forgive. I don't want to forgive you people. And I don't want anything to forgive me. The only thing I'm telling you, go and warn Nkata for me. One half for me. I'm going to
beat her. I will beat her as soon as I get home. Because Ekina Milia. Oh? Hey. Nkata. You never give me more. Nkata! Nkata! Stupid girl. You want to kill me? You want to kill me? Eh? What have I done to you? Eh?
Mama, me Nkata killing you. Are they crazy?
This time around, you are crazy very, very well in your head. You've gone mad. You are mad. Why will you go and insult Mazi Ikenga? Do you want me to die? Eh? Why will you insult Ikenga?
Hey, Mama, sooner because of Mazi Ikenga matter. Eh? Now you come and call me Nkata, and you say me one killing you.
Yes.
Mama, I not go killing you.
You shut I'm dead.
Go warn Mazi Ikenga to me. Because next time Mazi Ikenga spoken me grammar, Mama, I kill him. Mazi Ikenga. His name don't enter in the list of Obensi. And that gonna be Obensi if we are not, Mama. Go warn Mam to me. Mama, think what happened now? You say why God giving me you. Mama, see, make I tell you, eh? Papa go too well by giving me you. Me Katubo. Mama, see, I be good daughter. I know. I don't do you. You get angry. Sorry, what? No, Mama. Why are you, Mama? No.
Papa, ki you want to go and a shish off, ma? It's so wood, you. It's what I so wood.
Papa, what is it?
Could you imagine that Nkata called me an idiot?
What?
Called me an idiot.
Nkata called my own father an idiot in this town. Hey!
Maybe I myself for useless.
Shut up. Who is talking to you?
Okay, you useless. Before get a care. I'm not I don't know. I don't want to ensure ne obragi wo bramo. Ifani. I broke Ifani but only wala
Papa, no, wait to bring this insult now. Why are you insulting me? Why the insult? Am I the one that messed you up? I'm gonna get bullshit. Why collecting beating, coming to the house, giving me insult?
Papa, you are so right. For you, Ifeanyi, your behavior is getting out of hand. Sometimes you don't think you start talking. You'll be talking rubbish from your nonsense mouth.
Ngozi.
It's again.
Who are you to talk to me like that?
Ah, you are talking to me. Hey! Papa, I will deal with him, oh.
As for you, if your mother comes back, she will take you to her father. Can they be she will marry you? You need to okay, you don't maybe. We not have for moving off or we be or we be more like you. And now they do to which I won't give any name.
Yes, I don't look like you. I don't have any resemblance with you. And I don't even collect beating the way you collect. You collect beating outside, you come inside, you collect beating.
Can you get out mini? If I am Jila, you are all beating. Why did I cook no what? I'm Nkata. No, I got close to Nkata.
By inside, I go to the okay, let him Mpanaba, get up him come back and get to one. I just October this year. October this year, give me 41 years. Egano no la. Next August.
You are 50.
Mam, I'm going to start again. Next August.
You are 50.
Aku ndinne na village ah. Potako. Waka. Potako. Mary Magdalene eru age ke bia Lord Jesus Christ of Mary Magdalene eru age Lord Jesus Iscariot. Now look at this idiot. Papa, the person in question join who papa here Ngozi na make am. Ala buru nabal nwa na ehura. Yana kuna yana kan start jail. Adu me ehura nabal. Mna gari. Ya ga nyishanyi ya ji question. Ina ku onye obi mpa. Mbona gi iri na height. Iso mbombo. Iwuri shuku wure mi shuku. Ngozi onye wo nna gi. Can you imagine? God na show you na zimo ya. Otomunu nu shukwa ya ogirigiri.
Unless mbanwuru ke ga popata Nkata n'ụlọ.
But it's our own way. I get any information. We are going to plan. Mama,
listen, your mate, many of them are one. You were bound, and who your mate, and now, like you, all the one ahead, no more, not Chitazu. But you were bound, who your mate, remain there, idiot. You got over Nkata. Nkata in care and Patanola. Nkata on like idiot. Short. I'm a position. Fine.
Why is she there? The woman with tissue of blood. I let her talk about you. Huh?
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm not talking to you.
No, wait. Are you talking to me?
Yes. What's the meaning of that?
Wait. Ifeanyi, you don't get me. You are talking to me. You know how far now. You know I cannot and will not take any nonsense from you, Imaro. Ifeanyi!
Ngozi, this should be the first and last. You try bringing your ear or you book it together. I'm asking.
Ifeanyi, it's again. Mom, you are talking to me like this. Eh? No, I'm asking you now. You are talking to me like this.
I am just talking. You don't even want me to conclude. Do you know if I will say sorry? I am talking. If we want to fight, allow me to set up the fight. Not preparing the fight, you're already fighting. Don't worry.
I shall allow you to insult me and tell me sorry. If you insult me again, I will deal with you.
For your mind, you guys push them back. I'm just that. I just do ral. You keep what I will. But no, but try. I need you.
home. Yes, travel home. You know, my mother-in-law is sick and she had to go home to see things for herself. We can't work based on assumptions.
What about Nkata?
Nkata should be in the house. Henry. Why are you so desperate about this Nkata girl?
Which are my friends? You're my good friend. I don't want you to have a bad name.
Who is giving me the bad name?
Yourself. Uche. Let me ask you, how long will we keep on waiting to have a child? Uche, you're not going to wake up. You're a man.
Well, Henry, I know you very well. You're my friend. So instead of beating around the bush, I would advise you to go straight to the point and hit the nail on the head. What do you mean?
What I'm trying to say is that I want you to take Nkata as a second wife. Remember, your mother is going old and she needs to carry her grandchildren. Yes.
Henry, you are forcing me to say I am disappointed in you. What is this? Am I the one that gives children? Nor does my wife have powers to give herself children. It is God that gives children, and we'll wait for God's time to come. Are you mad or something? I mean, how can you advise me to take Nkata, a common house help, for a wife?
My friend, think twice. Think very well, Uche. That girl I'm seeing is going to put a smile on your face.
Nkata, where's the drink now?
Lada, take.
Nkata, what's the meaning of this?
Wait.
Why are you dressed like this?
Oh. Lada, you not like him? Eh? I want find for you.
Get your hands off me! Are you stupid? Huh?
I love you. I love you, well. Eh? See, make I tell you the truth. If Oma your wife be much, eh? She don't go for river, born her picking finish. She don't go born for this world.
Are you mad, Nkata? So you don't have respect again? Listen to me. The next time you call my wife a witch again, you will leave this house that very minute.
Brother, slapping me. No problem. I love you. Eh? The slap not even pay me. I love you. See, brother. Why can't you try me? Try me. Eh? You go say I go born for you. I go born 20 for you. If I'm not be woman, she be man.
I blame myself. I blame myself for wasting my time talking to you. Fool like you.
Brother, you go hearing. Brother, I love you. I love you. You should see this man, you go telling the wife. pushing me for this heaven. I don't want to go. I want day here forever. Hey, don't carry my pants. And I go hold my pants tight. What's I go do? What's I go do? I go find another thing I go do. Make a lovely me. You go lovely me if I'm not this house. Go be the house. Blood, your drink, oh.
Came to me saying that I should sleep with her. That my wife is a witch. That my wife cannot bear children for me because she already has children in the marine world and all sort of nonsense.
Uche, you see what I have been telling you? I spoke to you in a language I thought you understand. But you pretend as if you can't understand. Now, she has opened the door for you. Come on. I don't see Mopo for that room.
Oh, Henry, stop that rubbish! What is wrong with you? Stop it! Henry, you of all people should know that I, Uche, love my wife. Besides, God's time is the best.
Yes, God's time is the best. I will never deny. But remember, you say God's time. Go into the world and multiply. After all, a person born you.
So, what do you want me to do?
Get her as a second wife.
Second what? Can we just forget it? I can't do that. Never.
Think about it.
I cannot. It's not a thinking matter.
You're drunken. Ah! Hey! Okonta! Brother! Okay, come, make I carry you go inside, okay?
What do you carry?
Hey, let's go inside, oh?
Inside.
Inside. So that help me now?
Inside.
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 Jessica.
This is inside.
Bloody, Epa. Brother! They go.
Inside.
Be going. Oh? Blood easy. Brother. Okay.
Nkata, what are you doing in my room?
It's not your room. Now my room be this. Hey, you like Gachi?
What am I doing in your room? Nkata.
Last night you were drinking and I carry you come my room.
Oh shit. Nkata, did we?
Yes.
Oh.
I know you like Kanchi. No, please tell me, say you.
Nkata, just shut up! Well, listen. I want this that has just happened to be a secret between both of us.
Eh?
I don't want anybody to hear about it.
Well, you're telling me you love me.
Yes! I told you love you. I said keep it as a secret between us. Is that understood?
Okay. But you like him. Too much. It's with me, but I enjoy it. It's so good. Bilada. Make Okonta no see. Your hair is fine now.
Thank you. I like my hair.
Thank you for coming to visit me. What about that your guy?
It's fine. Do you know what? He promised to buy me anything by next month.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm happy for you.
Ah,
that guy is
thank
really
you.
nice.
Thank you. What am I hearing?
Where is he?
I heard that before I came back.
Oh yes, she came by. You know, the mom has been sick. But she's okay now. She has
How
gone.
she came back with Nkata?
No, she didn't. She has gone.
She has to be careful because...
Should be careful of what?
What should we do?
Eh? Should be careful of what? I'm asking you. Eh? What is your business? I know that you must behave like your mother. You think I don't know you? Maybe you are here now to take my father off from my mother. But your plan will not work. As far as I'm living and as far as I'm the first one. As far as someone would your brother, no lie, it will not work.
It's fine.
Shut up. What is it fine? Huh?
Ifeanyi, please don't insult me. Don't even mention my mother's name again. What's wrong with you?
Your mother.
Do
you know the meaning of mother? If you don't know the meaning of mother, let me tell you. Your mother cannot.
It's fine, please. Stop insulting my friend now. What is it? If I start at the same goal, I started to. See, if I people know. I don't have strength for this. What is it now?
Ifeanyi, you're mad.
You're very fine. Come and stand up. Go.
Ifeanyi, I will enjoy you.
What is this?
Chineke. See, I don't want to see you outside.
What kind of brother is this?
Because you want your brother.
Sorry.
Why your brother?
Sorry. Because this is my tired. This boy is not like seriously. I don't know what to say. Is it a boy or a man? Said.
Hey!
Fine.
Look at them. Come and talk rubbish about my Nkata. A girl who is even far better than you people, look at you. May the soul of your departed slippers rest in the bosom. Nonsense. Shebe, umejubigi. For once, can go sit on mojo. Oh, more like I come. Oh, you feeling that I'm serious. Oh, man, no like chance now. You lose around, Basabalaga.
Oh, shit. What's my khaki?
Nkata! Madam!
Come, be fast about it. Where are you now?
Madam.
Go upstairs to my room.
Yes.
On top of the table, you will see my khaki. Get it for me. Be fast.
Okay.
Be fast. Nkata, are you okay?
Madam.
What is wrong with you?
Headaches.
Headaches. Headaches. You are having headache?
Yes.
Okay. Wait for me here. Let me go upstairs and get my khaki. I will take you straight to the hospital. Do I make myself clear? Don't move an inch. Okay?
Madam, I'll not be pregnant. I'll be virgin. It's so good.
You think I'm joking with you?
Okay.
No, wait. Are we joking?
Madam.
You think this is here, you?
Okay, wait. I will talk to her.
Get talking! I don't have all the time.
That time is you calling me. Before you calling me go hospital. I can't drink water 7 cups. I drink water and I make my belly big. Tonto say I get belly. I don't get belly. I swear I'm virgin.
Nkata! Look at me from head to toe. Do I look like a dummy to you?
Madam,
do I look like a daft to you?
Madam, I know.
Wait, you want to tell me that what time made the doctor to say that you are pregnant?
Madam, I'll be virgin. I don't want to ovulate. Madam,
don't touch me! Don't tell. Get out.
Madam, get to say.
Madam, get out of the house!
Madam, please.
Get out! See your life now! Hey! When you are busy opening the leg, you did it. Get out of the house!
What is going on?
Honey, you will not believe this one. This local thing that I brought from the village is pregnant.
What? For who?
Ask her. Ask her yourself. She's in front of you here.
Nkata!
Madam.
Who is responsible for the pregnancy you're carrying?
Madam, please, Madam, I swear to God, I'll not be pregnant.
Will you shut up your mouth and answer my question?
Who is responsible for your pregnancy?
I said who is responsible?
Get talking.
Hey, I've carried my panto. Hey!
Nkata!
You think I'm joking with you?
Brother, I did sorry. It's you.
Wait, what did you just say? My husband responsible for your Nkata, this is where I will skin you alive. You are wait! You said you wait! Did you just hear what you said? He said, are you insane? Did you hear her?
Please, she's actually, she's not lying though. She's not really lying like that.
What? Wait, honey, wait. You are actually responsible for the pregnancy.
Okay, yes I am. Yes, I am, yes.
Hey! My head is on fire, my head is hot. My head is hot! Nkata! You! After everything I've done for you, you opened your leg.
Stop me! Stop!
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Don't be typing. If I'm away!
My bag!
Don't.
My bag! You! That's my bag!
with small respect. Anganga.
You calling me Amutambise?
No, I know they call your ancestors idiot. They call Jesus Christ. That cannot call the name of the Lord your God.
Okonta, you the man. In fact, Chris, they run your head.
See this your belly way be like FIFA football. You are no, you go just do like this, then you go born walk up. Waka idiot.
From today, they call me madam.
Now call you madam. As I don't know the real madam where this house. Say you be pirated copy. Come and shut up your mouth here.
Okay. Wait. Let my honey come back. I will report you.
Don't be only your honey, huh? Come out here and carry your nonsense. They pass for road. I know what you see as you be so. I know your cure. I go just buy mosquito coil put inside this house now. You go just breathe them and before you know them, you go die. Idiot. See as you be.
I'm sorry.
Please take it.
Papa, keep quiet. After I didn't ask you to fight Mama. I didn't ask you to fight Mama. Allow me.
Wow. I never knew that you married a lion as a wife. Mama just recalled it. Kagala go table tennis.
Will you shut up your mouth? Don't you know that I am the man of this house?
Eh?
I don't want to beat your mother. And if I beat your mother, she will die. And you people will blame me for killing your mother.
I'm even blaming my mother for trying to kill you. Mama nearly rubbish you. How come? Oh, where did you see mother before you asked her hand in marriage? Did you see her in a wrestling WWW wrestling champion?
Shut up your mouth. Do you know you are very, very stupid? You are not even ashamed of yourself. You are happy that your parents are fighting. Okwaya, hey!
Are you aware that you are talking to me, your senior brother?
Okay.
Are you okay? So you have the man. You have the man to talk to me, Abi?
No. Come now.
Huh?
No, come now. You are running, Abi. You are running.
It's just that I like this paint. I'm not running. I can't run. Who are you? Will I run? Never you try any day. You talk to me like that. Yes, eh?
It's fine.
I'm not going anywhere.
You are mad.
I'm mad. Ngozi, telling me if I am mad. You are very, very lucky. I don't blame you. Like father, like son. Sorry.
You are right. You are right. Indeed, like father, like son.
Sorry, like father, like sister.
Look at you. I know Pama. Papa, let me go and prepare something for so you take your job.
Thank you. Don't put enough paper. Don't put enough paper.
I've been here in a shishram beans now.
Stupid, so idiot.
You are the only one that will tell me the truth, because the way I'm saying it, you will not survive this.
You are a stupid son.
Just tell me the truth. Please. Mama, you are going to touch spinal cord.
I'm not sure that I'm the one that pregnant your mother. I'm not sure. I want to remain Nigi. I want to run Nigi.
Okonta! Open the gate. Okonta! Okonta, no opening that gate. Give me. Because what is the meaning of this nonsense? How will you ask for good
Okonta not open the gate for me, and here you are asking me for the car key.
Mama, not try me. I said not try me. Oh. Give me the car key.
I will not give you the car key. I won't.
You will not give me.
I won't.
Okay, no problem. Hold on until my honey comes back. You go see what you need.
Nkata, you're just looking for my trouble, Nkata. You are looking for my trouble. Eh? My husband bought this car for me. Why are you asking me for the key?
Ifoma, did I hear you calling my husband your husband? Ifoma, you be husband thief. Yes! You be husband thief. Idiot. Look at her. Useless, animalistic. Barren woman. Barren witch.
Did you just call me a barren witch?
Barren witch. I didn't say witch they dey black. I don't know say na witch they dey yellow. Witch ocha.
Sorry, it's okay. You don't follow. Why everybody there for you to talk with? You don't follow native doctor, they argue.
Because I go punish you.
I dodge.
Punish you and punish you well.
I dodge.
You see, you go climb like
Leave him. Now, I know you very well. I saw you. You know me how now the original madam be this for this house. How you take the waka? You take the waka like monkey. He enter inside Oga bedroom. From rocker bed to under the bed, from under the bed to inside the mattress. And under the duvet, you begin to somersault. Now you got to get this guy in belly.
I will just kiss you. I'll squeeze your mouth.
Knock me that thing, you go burn smell for this house.
I dodge him.
Knock me this thing, you go burn go for this house. Nonsense.
My God is watching you. My God is watching you, Nkata.
Oh my God, what is this? Even to ordinary to curse person, you too fine. You're cursing person in a romantic way. Instead of you to say TFY, thunder fire you, you're saying God is watching you. Nkata na TV, Nkata na cinema. Where God go they watch? Can you imagine?
Open the gate for me.
Don't worry. Yes, to be. I'm sorry, madam. Oh, no, I beg I'm sorry. Madam, you are a very good woman and you have blessed my life. If not be you, they will not sack me for these houses. God will bless you.
Thank you.
I cannot blame you for any of these things when they happen to you. The only person I blame is not even Nkata. I blame your husband. He useless. Sorry, not this. Your husband neither useless. If then you see better man for road where drag you, you're not for full. See that just because he get baby like baby bear, now you follow. He abandoned you like road projects. Go they carry this as a fly.
Don't open the gate for me, it's okay.
No verse. I will open the gate.
Open the gate.
The difference between you and that idiot is like light and darkness.
How is my wife and my baby?
My God, my baby.
Baby, what's it? Why are you crying?
Is it not that much? Mama, as you go work, I come tell you for Mama, she give me car key so that Okonta go carry me go hospital go shake wetin they do my belly. She come dey betray me. Honey.
Wait. You mean Informer refused to give you the car keys and she had the guts to beat you up?
Yes, honey.
Informer!
Yes, babe. Honey, you're back. Welcome.
Don't you dare touch me. Why did you refuse to give Nkata the car keys? And who gave you the guts to lay your fingers on her?
I did not talk.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Because I'm telling you the truth, I did not touch you now. I didn't touch her. If I can I beat up baby or
shut up your mouth. Rubbish. Will you come? Come to my house. Come.
Yes.
is carrying what you cannot carry, you barren witch.
Go and warn that your useless daughter to leave my daughter's husband alone. If I go there by myself, it will be very, very hot for her.
Choma, please, I'm sorry. I don't know what the problem is, but whatever it is, let's go inside as friends and talk about it.
Go where? I am not going anywhere. We go there, go and tell your daughter to move out of my daughter's house. Let her leave my daughter's husband alone. Go there.
Because I am sorry. I'm sorry, Onne, forgive us. Do you know that yesterday your daughter called me to tell me that my own daughter was pregnant for her husband?
Oh.
I was speechless. I didn't know what to say. I regretted the day I gave birth to that girl.
Whether you regret it or you don't regret it, all I know is this. Go and tell your daughter to move out of that house. She did not belong there. If anything happened to you for my daughter, we'll go there. If anything happened to my daughter, I will not take it lightly with your daughter. We'll go there. We'll go there. We'll go there. How many times have I called you? Better go and bring your daughter back. Oh. Hey, I will.
Oh, I will. What kind of a child is this? Children. I gave birth to only one. That one is fire. That wants to kill me. I did not kill my parents, so Nkata, you will not kill me. Tomorrow I'm going to that city myself. You must come back to this village. Hi. No, come. Nkata set me out of her house. Oh, just ask me, is it a crime that a mother went to see her daughter to correct her of her mistakes? She asked me to leave her house. Hi! Shineke, my eyes have seen my ears. No problem. Nkata, you sent me out. Go and come back. I'm waiting for you. You will come home now. One day you enter to this compound and I'll have the opportunity to send you away. No problem. People know when I went. Now that I came back, I won't tell anybody. Because my daughter sent me out. Which leg will I go to the market with? Katudu. Me, your mother. Hey. No problem. I got to win. Okay.
Yes, come in. You're welcome. How's everybody? How's your husband? It's fine. Okay, then what do I offer you? Anything stopped? Yeah, I'm right back. You see, I am not here to drink. If you what am I hearing? What did you hear? Ifeoma, I was told that your husband impregnated your house girl and she gave back to a male child. Is it true? It is true. And where is she? I don't know. She should be somewhere inside. Please, can we talk about something else? I mean, Nkata is not even relevant. If you say so. So, everything is fine. Nkata! So you carry another witch, come to this house? I beg your pardon. Michelle Goni. Nkata, you will not leave me alone. Nkata, you will not leave me alone, Nkata. Nkata, let me have peace in my husband's house for Christ's sake. What is your problem? Hey, for my chopped up. I see chopped up. I think so much the black. I don't know say no na. I'm Socha. Which married kingdom will I come from? No problem. You are speaking me grammar. Watch listen. Chere kamja.
What is it, Moro? Because of this useless thing. I am not going anywhere, please. Because of you. Oh, please, sorry. Just take care of this. Oh! You can't go? No! Come and cross your leg and Nkata and you. Nkata! I think I'm looking for my job with this house. I'm looking for my job with you. You see your check on my leg. I'll check on my leg and I'll touch you. If I'm not killing you here, you don't cross your leg, carry your witchcraft, come here and I come there. Barren witch. Look at you people now. Cross your leg, come drink. We won't find on down. Hey. Yeah, we'll be. What problem? My good luck.
Give me my come out.
Now why the chat up here?
Mala, give me my come out here.
What do you want? Nkata, what do you want here? Eh? What are you doing here?
I know say I'm not too good. I did some people.
You sent me out from before myself. Now I am sending you out of my husband's house. This is my husband's house. Nkata, leave. Go and don't come back.
I be your pikin. I be your pikin. See, Mama, not sending me out of my papa's house. Because if he send me out there, Papa go vex for you. He go vex for you in the land of spirit. And if he come out, he go killing you. Because forgive me. They saw me on why am I be your pikin. And they saw. Hey. Because
now I am not sending you out again. Where's my child?
My honey and Ochako Maka, sandwich. No, let me carry on.
Why?
I don't know.
Just take it like this and let me find something.
Hey! No, Mama.
You're always looking for my trouble.
My honey get money. I buy this for
go inside. Who wants what you want?
Mama!
I'm coming to give you food and something.
Oh, man.
Let me come. Nkata, I am your mother, and I will not deceive you at all. I know that you are giving back to a child, and that Ifoma's husband is the father of your son. I don't want you to go back to Lagos. I want you to stay back here so I can take care of you and find a way of going to the city to bring back your son. So that Ifeoma and the husband will live in peace and enjoy their marriage.
Hey, Mama. Why you know what make I be happy? Why? You know what make I happy? Eh? See, Mama, make we just leave that one, eh? Make we talk waiting calling me come this village.
What is it?
Now you come, Mama. Hey, Mama, I guess what I want make you do for me, eh? I want make you carry me go Papa house. Do you know if Oma used to do hold my honey come the pity me? Mama, wait now, make I talk finish.
You wanna talk?
I want make I tell Papa, make he give me small something chingili where I go use hold my honey. Anything I tell him make he do, he go do him. He go lovely me well, people.
Hey! Nkata, you want me to follow you to native doctor's house? Eh?
I'm not shouting.
Hey!
Hey!
Ewo! Nkata, you are wicked. You are very wicked and heartless. Eh? So after all you did to this young girl, after everything you did to her, you still have the effrontery to want to use charms on her. so that you can take over her husband. Hey! Nkata, you are wicked. I will expose you if you try anything like that. Stop waiting. I will expose you.
Mama, you say you go explode.
I will expose you.
But explode.
If you try any nonsense like this, Nkata, I will expose you. I don't support evil. Wicked girl. Husband snatcher.
Mama say she go expose me. Hey. Mama, so you want her to carry my pants up here? No. Ain't no fit carry my pants. I go hold my pants tight. Mama, you go explode me. No problem. How can I make you go by so? You see, na only na my own alone. If Mama.
Odumo ki keje banu banu. Odumo. Aseli wata chere no ye hembara na ye were no ya no. Odumo. Eze nwanyi ka budo, eze nwanyi ka chere no go sinu. Odumo ki keje janu. Okirikiri kana baru kwasa na adinu yedu. Mwaka manja leje. Odumo. Woman, what brings you to Odumo?
And I don't want air calling my pants. I want to hold my pants tight.
Woman, go straight to the point. Odumo, you don't have time.
I don't know what to informat to my only content me. Now you make say, make I come here. Make you give me small chicken. What I go use for my money. Anything what I tell him make you do, he go do am. He go lovely me well.
Is that all?
My mama, she said she go explode me. I want make you do my mama to brele wine. See then they look. Anything where I tell her, she go supporting me. Because
Odumo ki janja janu. Odumo. The spirit of our forefathers, your daughter have come for you to rescue her. She needs your help. Odumo, the spirit of death, arise! Come, answer me. Hold this. Call your husband. He will obey your word. Odumo ki keje janu. Odumo ki keje lanu. Call your husband name 3 times. Uche.
lovely me. Lovely me.
Go and sit down. Woman, take this. As for your mother, put under her bed. She will obey your word. Take! Take!
How much I go give you?
Woman, go! I come back in 24 I came against days. Why going? Don't speak with anyone. Go! Go!
You remember what you told me yesterday? Say you go exclusively me if I go Papa place.
God forbid. How can I say something like that? No! I can't say something like that. When I was planning to take you to the place to see Baba myself. No.
Mama, no worry yourself. I don't go see. I can go now.
You've gone? Who took you there?
I go by myself.
Yourself? Hey. Okay. I was thinking maybe I should take you today or...
No worry, I don't go.
Okay.
Hey.
It's good.
Hey, Mama. Make I go prepare. Tomorrow I'll be going to Lagos.
It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. It's a very good thing. See, if you go, take care of your husband.
Okay.
Take care of your son. Don't allow that witch to come close to your son.
Okay.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
That witch, she should not just come close to your son at all.
Mama, trust me now.
I know what you can do.
You don't know your daughter again.
Nkata.
See, Mama, if I go in Lagos now, I go tell my honey, make him come build big mansion for you.
Good. I like it.
My honey get money. The man but done.
Ujego.
Money, na so poto na here.
Hey, no problem.
Mama, you see, Mama Ifoma, we get is up mango, we be tene. Now because of her daughter marry Lishman, he come her nyash come they come out.
But you don't go past my own.
Hey, you get big nyash now. If you dey eat money now, so your own go be. Make I go inside, go pack my.
Now pack your things. I will escort you to marriage.
No problem. One day, big mansion go there here. No, Mama.
It's sharp one.
Thank you. Your mama go there. No problem. I go buy you Hollandese.
Oh.
If I go safe, I go send you money. Hey, Mama, you know get account too.
I don't have.
I go send my friend.
Okay.
He go bring money for
Thank you.
Look at
you, Bobo. How about the time one? Go and bring money and come back. Hey, go and take position. Kill the witch. Nonsense.
You know you was there to call you sis. I think that they call you. You don't get answer. You there here. Open your mouth like hungry pig.
Me hungry pig?
Yes!
See this someone that didn't be so.
See everywhere around you red and black, shrine color. Idiot. You gonna beat me like this. You depressed.
Make I go inside, go see my home. You go throw you out.
Wait. Confess. Everything now your honey. No verse now. I'm sorry. Small madam, no verse.
You call me small madam?
Okay.
You crazy?
Okay, medium size madam.
See, next time you calling me small madam, you call it small and you never put my. I don't kill you, be that. I don't kill you. It's yours. Come on, carry this bag.
I want
What do you want to talk?
No, nothing. This bag where is in my carry so? This bag already you get tired. Where you go to drag they follow you? Why you want make me so that you go just be like say I be your servant?
Okonta, rescate yourself. I say rescate yourself. Carry on. Rubbish. Where my pikin dey?
Your pikin original madam doctor.
Okonta, something they run you.
Nothing.
Mad they run you.
How original madam now?
Next time you call that witch. Original madam, you see what I go do you. Waka like human being, because.
Madam, I beg, I want to ask you one question. Wait, I beg. You know, say you get conscience.
Yes.
Or leave all these things where you do. I know, say inside of you get conscience. Bam. Now, Waka. Enter inside the bedroom of your conscience. Open the door. Enter the wardrobe of your conscience. And then search her. And then begin to ask yourself, you are an informer who is a
No verse. Na question. No mean quarrel.
I don't get your time. Where is that body fool? Ifeoma! Where is that witch?
Man fit marry. He leave better woman go marry masquerade. Yeah, this one.
Okonta. Okonta. My body.
No, rub me. You rub my shoulder. You be green.
Okay.
Stand by yourself. That's independence.
No problem. Okay. Just something one make it do for me. But if you do it, I will give you 200,000. You go use and get money. Or you don't want money. You don't want money, talk now.
I want.
You remember that day you tell me say, you see for the way they do traditional wedding, you enter. Sleeping with you. You no go do it. Can't I be serious now? I'm serious. I will give you 200,000. You marry. You marry now.
Just like that. The thunder will go fire you. You still they take promotion exam for inside evening school. Like say no be because of illiteracy that thunder 9 for graduate since come fire you, but they still dey. When he graduates, so wait, he say you no go know him left from right. The way go fire you Me? Hi! You wicked. You are a witch. You are a Gogoyam witch. I'm telling you. Because as you be so, the wickedness and darkness where your heart even touch no go fit light well. Hey!
Could that shut up?
I go tell madam this thing where you touch. I go tell her.
You go tell me. Okonta, no try me. No make me vex because if I vex
if
for
you vex, nothing gonna happen.
You go tell madam.
Yes.
Where evidences you get?
Nah, cut.
Okonta, no try
tell,
me.
nah, tell. I go tell.
No try me because if you try me, if my honey come back, I go tell him say you raping me. You raping me and you know, he go throw you.
Human being the rape shrine.
Cry you, throw you out of
human being the rape shrine.
The Chris. You know say na my honey with anything why I tell him, you go believe me.
I go rape this guy in breeze.
In fact, no play again. Come and go. I say come and go.
What do you mean?
No,
carry this breast. No, be said na breast. This pimples where they inside your chest. If you rub dusting powder for this in your chest, all these things don't disappear.
If I take this in my body touch you, carry your hand and go. Go! Go! This will come by idiot. You know try. She said this is not going to tell them. You go tell. I forgot. That go to now. I go follow another way. This house, everything, boy. There's lighter. Open the top outside, right? If I say give me my car key, I will not.
Will you shut up your mouth and give her the car keys?
What have I done again? I didn't do anything wrong.
I said give her the car keys.
Oh, yeah.
And when you are done, go into this house, pick everything that belongs to you, and get out.
Baby, I mean, it's very obvious that Nkata here is behind your recent attitude. I need to pay for everything. Forgive me now. You can't throw me out from my matrimonial house. Please.
You think I'm joking?
Please.
You think I'm joking? Sit down and wait for me.
Ma.
Leave! Leave! Honey, I know the medical can never help us. Go! I'm Uzoja! My name was I go! Bonnie, no go go! Go!
I will soon give you that I'm looking for you. I will give it to you.
Go!
Please.
Go! Nkata, I go! Go!
I will beat you right now.
Go! People my go! Honey! Leave alone!
Give her the car keys. Okay, yeah, get out.
Please now.
Get out!
Wait.
Go!
Get out. Leave me
Go!
alone. Okonta, I don't want to ever see her in this house again.
Honey, you do well. Okonta, go and close the gate. Okonta, go and close the gate, John.
Yes, sir. Let's in the talk.
Grace, they worry you. I'm not here.
Soldier ants! Human being, they follow the call of God, and these soldier ants follow the call me. Huh? You dey Grace? See as you be. Hi! Oga, now you are blamed. How can you see a ceramic plate and then you abandon and go to job for clay pot? Tell me. Are you from the lineage of shrine? Why they behave like this? You disappoint man and the whole of man people for this world. Madam, no vex. Sorry, yeah. Madam. No worry, never worry yourself. It is because of the kind of living thing that you married. Seriously. Okay, this is your brain. We need to carry and go computer village so that they go flash up, restore and back to factory settings. This living thing where you carry put for inside house so you don't finish. I'm telling you the truth. Seriously. You think life is all about babbing punk and carrying baby? You're carrying teddy bear on top of your chin. And you're walking about. Look at the way you're carrying a woman's traveling bag. They wear basketball cloth. In the way they carry gold. You don't work for back before. Are you an experienced motor back loader? What is all this? Look at the person you're pursuing out of the house. You're pursuing light and bringing darkness. What is your problem? Have you worked in NEPA before? Why do you like them to take light in your life? What is it? When I see this kind of situation, I remember the dream where Pharaoh dream inside Bible. The dream of the 7 fat cows and the 17 cows. The 17 cows, he carried the 7 fat cows, he swallowed. He no show for their body. That is the exact situation where they say for this thing where they carry put for house and replacement wife. To the kind fine woman
Why you don't marry son? How? Of all the creatures that you can fall in love with, it is a soldier ant. In the morning, soldier ant. In the afternoon, it's a fly. In the night, praying mantis. In her dream, na cricket.
Ugochi. I'm coming. What happened? Why the bag? Che threw me out of the house. What can I do? Just to know. I didn't even do anything. He just sent me out of the house. If I'm not just missing. Ify, is your pastor aware of this? Not yet. Don't worry. Tomorrow, we're going to see the pastor. And I believe we will listen to him. Okay? I think so. Yes. Hi. My life is finished. Face is shattered. Nkata has finished me. Please come back. Sorry, dear. Sorry, just leave them.
Thank you. Bro Uche.
Pastor.
Your wife told me that you sent her out of the house. Why?
Well, Pastor, I did not really.
Bro Uche. Remember, she is your first and lawfully wedded wife. And as a matter of fact, she is the one heaven recognized. And anything outside that is adultery.
Hey, Pastor, what do you come talking now? What do you come talking now? Adultery.
Adultery?
You want to make my honey carry that winch, come into this house where? Make you use her witchcraft and kill everybody.
No, sister. She is not a witch. And please don't call her such.
So you come my house, come they talk rubbish to me, okay? Okay, no problem. There here, make I go come. There you.
Well, Pastor, please. You have to leave now before she comes back. Please.
Well, for the sake of the kingdom, please go and bring back your wife. And remember, children only comes from God. I have heard you, but you have to.
Pastor.
Stop! You don't beat a man.
Go inside!
It's an abomination to beat a man of God.
If God have mercy on me.
Go feed you. Hey! Come and speak grammar to me. Look at you! Stupid idiot pastoring! Annie! Hey! You want to make they carry this when she come here I'm pushing me. Hey, me for my only marry. I go think what I go do. Me, adultery. Annie! Open this door! Ify, what is it? Why are you still crying? Remember, the pastor promises that he will talk to your husband. And I believe Uche will listen to your husband, okay? So stop crying. And very soon, you will go back to your husband. You expect me to be happy when my husband just threw me out of my own matrimonial home because of that thing? Nkata. It's alright. Then why are you still crying?
Do you know the most painful part about all these things? Pastor went to talk to my husband. And Nkata flopped him. Jesus Christ. That thing flopped Pastor? Flopped Pastor. Jesus Christ. What is even wrong with that idiot? Ify, I understand. But you have to come on. Please. You are finished. I'm shattered and I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
Like this time, don't understand. That man will look me finish. I mean, one call it to go eat the look. Tell him I said, you say, come on, money, just bring the money. Then you wait till you rush here. Don't like you won't carry money. You say, what did they do for the account? Come on, please say, look me, small pepper. Like say, one call you, they look me, the cancel. Hey, who you be?
Coming down. Skipper.
Leave him.
Skipper. Skipper. Na me be Nkata. Na person tell me. See, there's something I want make una do for me. I carry job. I want make una kill person for me.
If I'm a